A good quality bottle jack is something that every mechanic or weekendier should have. There are many products available to choose bottle jack, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best bottle jack from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Torrent Big Red Pneumatic Hydraulic Bottle Jack. Torrent's TA90 2006 is the first bottle jack on this list capable of operating not only manually, but also without the operator's effort. If you have an air compressor, you can hook it to this jack, thereby eliminating the need to pump strokes manually. Quick note, though, you'll need a compressor that can supply air at or above 110 psi for smooth functioning. A portable tire inflator won't do the trick here. However, if you have a compressor powering your air tools, it should be more than enough. This bottle jack features a rugged steel body, making it durable well beyond the 1-year warranty period. Important components such as the ram have been hardened for additional strength. Moreover, you get a wide base that houses the main bottle jack unit, in addition to a large pneumatic system component. What we like about it? High value for money. The addition of pneumatic hardware allows greater versatility. Strong and sturdy body. Versatile lifting range. Impressive weight capacity. Chromed piston and rams. The spring-controlled mechanism ensures a prompt return to the retracted position. 1-year manufacturer warranty. What don't we like about it? Starts to be slightly heavy and definitely not as portable as previous models. Number 2. Torrent T90-1003B Big Red Hydraulic Bottle Jack. This Big Red model is as basic as a bottle jack can be. Nonetheless, it's a great bottle jack that is not only quite inexpensive, but also very easy to use. It is the perfect option for those with limited use or beginners in the field. With a 10-ton or 20,000 pounds lifting capacity, this bottle jack will lift anything from small hatchbacks to heavy-duty pickups with absolute ease. Moreover, if you need either more or less weight capacity, you can choose from a range of 2 to 50-ton bottle jacks offered by Torrent. In terms of lifting range, the model is quite versatile with a maximum height of 18 1/8. However, watch out if you drive a lower car, since it can only be used on vehicles with 9 1/16 minimum ground clearance. There is an adjustable screw extension on the top side that further improves usability. Mounted atop the screw mechanism is a serrated saddle that provides a secure gripping point onto your vehicle. The saddle has also been heat-treated to impart optimum strength. What we like about it? Low cost. Suitable for a wide range of vehicles. Adjustable screw top allows room for flexibility. Strong and durable construction. Easy to operate. Sufficient weight lifting capacity. Safety mechanism prevents lifting beyond limits. Meets all ASM standards. 1-year manufacturer warranty. What don't we like about it? As basic as it gets. Number 3. OTC Stinger Series Bottle Jack. If you ask me, OTC's 9320 model is one of the best bottle jacks available in the market. No joke. And no matter how big the truck you want to lift is, OTC has a jack for you. Indeed, the 9320 bottle jack is part of OTC's Stinger series that also has other options available, with weight ratings ranging from 2 to 50 tons. What we like about it? Wide base provides a secure foundation. Chromed parts to impart rust-free qualities. High weight rating. Impressive height range. Lightweight bottle jack. Convenient metal carrying handle. Includes a replacement seal kit. What don't we like about it? 28 strokes required to raise the jack by just 1 inch. Number 4. ESCO Air Manual Hydraulic Bottle Jack Cart. The ESCO 10447 is another hybrid bottle jack that can be manually and air operated. Another unique characteristic of this 20-ton jack is that it comes in a wheeled cart configuration with an extended stroking handle. This makes the operator's life a lot easier by allowing him or her to just wheel the unit under the vehicle without a hassle. Even the handle is of great help as, unlike most other models, you don't have to lie on the ground in an awkward position to access it. ESCO's bottle jack will lift your vehicle to a maximum of 193 when the adjustable screw top is set to its highest position. Meanwhile, the minimum height comes at 103. You also get a pair of return springs for a smooth and quick descent to the retracted position. What we like about it? Lightweight bottle jack. Impressive weight rating. Heat-treated saddles ensure optimum grip. Extra long handles allow for effortless operation. Long-lasting and strong construction with an aluminum air motor. 1-year manufacturer warranty. What don't we like about it? On the expensive side. Number 5. Hein Werner Air Hydraulic Truck Jack. When it comes to heavy-duty bottle jacks, Hein Werner's this model is pretty much the top-level model. It is capable of working under pneumatic as well as hydraulic power, it's incredibly reliable, and it also employs a cart-type configuration similar to the previous model. What we like about it? The extra long handle allows easy reach in tight spaces. Strong and durable construction with ergonomic design. Mobile bottle jack thanks to large wheels. Impressive weight capacity. Very versatile and portable bottle jack. 1-year manufacturer warranty. What don't we like about it? Pricier. Pneumatic operation requires a professional compressor. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.